I don't know if you know, but you're on the rudder pedals.
Country fan, like I am. Hey, I got a Chevy, she can flip a quarter. I'd drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over.
Hawthorn area traffic. Blue and white Cessna is on a 3-mile final for runway 28 Hawthorn. Was you with me that trip? I lined up in the wrong fucking angle or some shit. Anyway, he had to come back around. I don't remember what the situation was.
Down at Sun Valley?
No, here.
Oh.
Tells California maybe she'd fall for a boy from South Georgia. She's got the bar in the palm of her hand.
Now we gotta land about the middle because it's long taxiway, right?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I'd drive her anywhere from here to California when this song is over. I gotta find her 'cause she had me. It's Carolina. Yeah, she had me. It's Carolina. Yeah. It's
Hawthorn area traffic. Blue and white Bonanza, short final, runway 28 Hawthorn.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried.
Wow.
Cold beer on a Friday.
My door just popped.
A pair of jeans that
Really?
fit just right. And the radio.
Not open, just there's a big pop right at my door. Huh. I remember. Keep this one off the ground.
Yeah.
Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine.
Pull her out. Keep her off.
Sweet tea, pecan pie.
There you go. Keep her off. Keep her off. Keep her off. Nice.
In my house, it's not much to talk about.
Yeah, I gotta remember I don't want to land in this.
Yeah, don't land. Don't land.
Southern ground.
Land.
Yeah, I could have made that. But what the fuck?
Well, you can turn around and go back.
Oh, that's true.
Cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio, I like to see the sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child. And know a mother's love.
Okay.
It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the